Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic HTML. So, let's get started. What does HTML stand for? The correct answer is option A, Hypertext Markup Language. Which HTML element is used to define the largest heading? The correct answer is option B, H1. What is the correct HTML element for inserting a line break? The correct answer is option C, BR. Which attribute is used to provide alternative text for an image if it cannot be displayed? The correct answer is option D, alt. Which tag is used to define an unordered list in HTML? The correct answer is option A, all. What is the primary purpose of the meta tag in the head section? The correct answer is option B, to provide metadata about the HTML document. Which HTML5 element is used to specify a footer for a document or section? The correct answer is option C, footer. How do you create a hyperlink in HTML? The correct answer is option D, a ref equals http://www.example.com example/a. Which character is used to indicate an end tag in HTML? The correct answer is option A, /. Which input type is used to restrict a user to a specific range of numbers using a slider control? The correct answer is option B, range. In older versions of HTML, which attribute of the body tag was used to set the background color? The correct answer is option C, color. Which element is used to define text with strong importance, typically displayed in bold? The correct answer is option D, strong. How can you open a link in a new tab or browser window? The correct answer is option A, target equals _blank. Which tag is used to define a single row in an HTML table? The correct answer is option B, tr. Which HTML element is used to display a scalar measurement within a known range, like disk usage? The correct answer is option C, meter. Which attribute is used to specify that an input field must be filled out before submitting a form? The correct answer is option D, required. Which tag is used to group introductory content or a set of navigational links? The correct answer is option A, header. What is the correct way to write an HTML comment? The correct answer is option B, this is a comment. Which HTML5 element is used to draw graphics via scripting, usually JavaScript? The correct answer is option C, canvas. Which attribute specifies the destination URL of a hyperlink? The correct answer is option D, ref. Which tag is used to define a description list? The correct answer is option A, DL. What does the figure element represent in HTML5? The correct answer is option B, self-contained content, like illustrations or diagrams. Which attribute is used to uniquely identify an element within an HTML document? The correct answer is option C, ID. Which HTML element is used to specify a section of navigation links? The correct answer is option D, NAV. Which attribute is used within the meta tag to specify the character encoding? The correct answer is option A, charset. What is the default value of the type attribute for the button element inside a form? The correct answer is option B, submit. Which tag is used to define a client-side script, such as JavaScript? The correct answer is option C, script. Which element is used to define a container for an external application or interactive content plugin? The correct answer is option D, embed. Which HTML attribute is used to define inline CSS styles? The correct answer is option A, style. Which tag is used to define the title of a creative work, like a book or a film? The correct answer is option B, site. Thank you for watching.